y'all. Welcome to Adriese's Kitchen 6-9. Man, I ain't really cooking nothing, but my neighbor brought over us some smoked pork. They smoked it on the grill for 12 hours. Ooh, me and the Sneevy can't wait to have a good old sandwich. So, I'm going to take these here buttery tasting biscuits. I'm probably going to scramble up an egg maybe, or an egg over easy. I'm not sure yet. And some garlic. I have here some roasted garlic cheese. It's like, delicious one. And I'm going to heat this up. So let me show you my sandwich. These are bear claws. It helps chop up your meat. Look at them. They're so cool. You just do like this. Look at that. It really helps to break meat apart that's been in the refrigerator for a little while. It really helps to break up meat. When it's been cold. Look at that. Now y'all can get these from sunmoonproducts.com. Send in a donation and we'll send them to you in the mail. Isn't this cool? Bear claws. Okay. So I just warmed up a little with some olive oil. Okay. Look. But this is how I'm going to eat mine. I'm having mine with a salad and an over easy egg with some of that Alagha Syrup our grandmamas used to have back in the day. And some biscuits, they ain't homemade, and some of that pork with that cheese. Ooh, it's gonna be delicious, man. And of course, a little sip of champagne. And don't forget to order some of these meat shredding claws. They really helps when you cook those barbecue briskets and things. Yes, and shredding your meat. Now follow the link below and you will even have free shipping. Order your pair today. So look y'all, go to Sun Moon Products. Okay? We got a store full of goodies there for you. Kitchen tools, products, even gifts. So go take a look. And go to Adriese's Kitchen 6-9. Subscribe, like, share, and love my channel, you guys. Yes, and enjoy all of my fun recipes. Just playing with your food. Anyway, be safe.